So what are some of the free tools for your YouTube videos? Now, if you have a brand new channel and you don't want to spend a lot of cash when you are either shooting your videos or you are editing your videos, then I've got these two free tools for you that are going to help you a ton and save you a ton of money when you're shooting your videos. Now, the first one is called DaVinci Resolve. The second one is called OBS Studio. Now, OBS Studio is the one that is used to shoot videos. DaVinci Resolve is the one that is used to DaVinci Resolve is used to edit videos. Now, these are very simple tools to use. Now, I'm going to link below DaVinci Resolve and OBS. They're free tools. Of course, I'm going to add a third tool there, which is called VIdIQ. VIdIQ is also a free tool, and it can really help you in as far as running your YouTube videos and creating your videos for your YouTube channel. Now, quickly, let's jump into OBS Studio and show you us how quickly I shoot some of these videos. Actually, that's so easy. So now this is OBS Studio. This is where I use to shoot all my videos. Even this video right now, I'm shooting it using DaVinci Resolve. The DaVinci Resolve is here. It is also the one that I'm using to shoot the same DaVinci Resolve tutorial on how to use it. So it's very simple. Now make sure, of course, when you're talking on your mic, use it mic or X. First of all, when it's very simple to look at it. They only have this part, this part, this part, this part, this part, and this part. So simple. Now, of course, this is the output window as usual. So it means, as I'm talking right now, this the visual result that is going to be shown when I'll upload this video. So that's what is here. And then let's just jump. These are scenes, the sources, not so important. I'm going to show you what to hear, but I want to focus on audio here because it's important to know that you capture the video and the audio. So the audio here, what I do for me, if your desktop has some noise, you want to click this part here so that you mute the desktop completely, and then you leave the mic. So I'm using a mic here to shoot this video. So let's leave the mic, and you can see as I talk, this line is kind of wobbling depending on how my voice or pitch is going up or down. So this shows me that indeed my voice is being recorded by OBS Studio. All right, now if you want to start recording, of course, here it's only going to show you start recording button. You see where it's highlighted here, it will show you start recording. Right now it's telling me to stop recording because I'm recording right now. So if I click on stop recording, it will stop recording. And if you want to know that you're recording or not and how many minutes you are in, you can always look down here. You see right now I'm in 2 minutes 36 seconds right there. Okay, so showing me that it's recording there. So once you meet this and you see this working, and then you can just click here, it will always start recording, then start recording, and then you can always minimize it or open the folder you want to work with. Like right now I'm working on this, it will just show that for you. Now it's as simple as that. Now, since not so important, sources is important, just have to right click here and then click on add. So that I use two main ones. The first one is display capture and window capture. Now display capture is going to capture what you're displaying right now, and Windows capture, of course, is going to capture the window. So it's very simple. Just when you first log in, you're not going to have these two buttons. So just click here and then click on add, and then you have to click on display capture. So click on display capture. Click on display capture. This is going to come, and then you again right click on this space, click on add, and then come down window capture. As simple as that. So you can always toggle between these two if maybe you're trying to shoot something and it's not showing. Okay, and that's all about OBS Studio. It's simple as that to use this program. Now, where does OBS Studio take your output? Now, if you can't see where your output has gone to, it's very simple. Just come here on File, and then click on Show Recording. Simple as that. It will show you where all the DaVinci Resolve is going to take your output. Now, if you want to take it to a specific file, just click on Files here, then go to Settings, and then of course it'll come here, then click on Output, and then recording path here. Okay, so now you can give it okay, so yeah, of course, if you click on that, output will show you where all your recording will go to, as simple as that. So there are two ways you can know where your output is going to. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've gotten some value out of it, and if you have, always remember to subscribe, because we love people who subscribe, and don't forget to comment with a 1 if you got some value. Thank you for watching for this video, and see you in the next video.